Hello, ma'am.
Myself Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. First of all, congratulations for your course completion.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shwetha, can you introduce yourself, like your name, which college you are?
I'm Shwetha. I'm from Tiptur, and I did my graduation in Government SMTI Bangalore, KSFL.
Okay. So, have you got to know about CMTI?
My brother, ma'am.
Okay. So, in CMTI, which course you have to?
Ma'am, interior design course and BIM course.
Okay. What are the topics you have learned?
Ma'am, in interior, I learned the standard sizes of the kitchen design, AutoCAD work, SketchUp work, 3D modeling, and visit the showroom visit, factory visit.
So you have visited various site and showroom visit, right? Okay, what are the site and showroom visit you have visited?
Glamour Interiors, IKEA, India Wood.
Okay, so in site and showroom visit, what and all topics you have learned?
Site ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೈವುಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್.
Okay, have you used our CMTI?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, how it was useful to you?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏನೇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬಹುದು.
Okay, so you took offline classes, right?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, how was the offline classes?
ಎಸ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, how was the coordinators and trainers support towards you?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, so once again, congratulations for your placement. Thank you for your feedback, Shwetha. Have a bright future.
Thank you.